Everyone today recognizes the name Floyd Mayweather. After all, the former boxing star world champion isn't exactly low-key. From his bouts in the ring to his stunts on the streets, Mayweather has done it all. However, his journey to fame and wealth wasn't an easy one, and the man definitely has lived through some dark times. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about Floyd Mayweather and how he managed to amass millions. For those who don't know, Floyd Mayweather was born on February 24, 1977 in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Floyd Mayweather Sr. was a professional boxer as well. He is best known for his bout against Sugar Ray Leonard. Uncles Jeff and Roger Floyd Jr. also competed in the sport professionally. Floyd's trainers have included both Floyd Sr. and Roger. Floyd grew up with a drug addict for a mother and a largely absent father. When Floyd was old enough to train in a boxing gym, that's where he and his dad spent most of their time together. Floyd moved with his grandmother after his father was put in prison. Floyd focused solely on boxing at the moment. He abandoned his high school studies to pursue his hobby full-time. In 1993, 1994, and 1996, Floyd won the National Golden Gloves title. He also brought home bronze during the 1996 Olympics in Atlanta. He had an 84-4 record as an amateur. The 11th of October 1996 was Floyd's debut as a professional boxer. With the second-round knockout, he defeated Roberto Apodaca. Floyd would go on to become the first boxer in history to win 6 titles in 6 weight categories, including super featherweight, lightweight, junior welterweight, welterweight twice, and super welterweight. The current score for his professional boxing career is a perfect 50 wins and 0 losses. There were 50 victories, and 27 of those were KO victories. There is no disputing Floyd Mayweather Jr.'s status as the sport's prince and richest boxer. The staggering payouts that Mayweather received for the majority of his fights have also made them famous. He even recently revealed how much money he made from 3 of his biggest fights. Mayweather recognized the value he carried and the nature of the industry during his ascent to the top of the boxing world. So, in order to promote his own fights, he didn't think twice to part ways with Bob Arum's top-ranked promotions in 2006. One of the wealthiest fighters in history, Mayweather relied on the move to generate huge paychecks. Nevertheless, the 44-year-old made shrewd financial decisions. The 5-division champion is still accepting fights, but his business endeavors suggest he is no longer dependent on fighting for money. Mayweather Promotions was the boxer's first major financial investment, which he made in 2006. Mayweather's boxing company was founded with the help of a group of experts led by CEO Leonard Ellerbe, while he continued active for 11 more years till 2017. Mayweather earned the largest paychecks of his career. Mayweather has fought the likes of Manny Pacquiao, Conor McGregor, and Ricky Hatton, and has come out on top each time, earning tens of millions of dollars and maintaining his perfect record. According to Mayweather,
you know, what we're slacking is this. We have to go back to the old school, pen and paper. We have to write
That's my thing. I love writing.
We have to write our ideas down and sit it right there on the nightstand, and you got to see every day, you see certain goals. You can write down 10 goals. And then in 12 months, if you ain't accomplished none of those goals, then you're running in place.
Mayweather owns a Las Vegas adult club called the Girl Collection, and business there appears to be thriving, even as his boxing career soars. The unbeaten boxer is quite active in promoting his club on social media. Mayweather and his loved ones frequent the club, where they enjoy frequent parties. They say it's one of the fanciest clubs in Vegas, and many visitors agree. Rolling Skate Park of Las Vegas was recently purchased by Floyd Mayweather. A full address is 4680 Boulder Highway, Las Vegas, Nevada 89121. Mayweather runs his own social media channel specifically for showcasing the area's many attractions. The public now knows that the boxing superstar has always had a love for outdoor sports thanks to his latest investments. Although Floyd Mayweather is a known boxing aficionado, he appears to enjoy auto racing and has not declined an investment in the business. He currently operates under the brand TMT Racing. Mayweather also has equity investments beyond these. Despite this, Mayweather still fights in exhibition matches, demonstrating his dedication to boxing and his commercial acumen to the world. Forbes reports that money, Floyd Mayweather and the CGI investments of billionaire Raul Thomas have pulled $250 million. What's more, they're working hard to pave the way for athletes to build multi-generational wealth beyond athletics. This is a monumental step by the greatest defensive general of all time in support of underpaid athletes. Well, it's about working smarter, not harder, the best ever noted. To back me up, I have a solid crew. No one ever said, I just took my time, met the appropriate people, and made it happen because I know that nothing worthwhile ever occurs overnight. Mayweather has always had an interest in real estate investing, and CGI Group of Merchants is a national real estate corporation. The legend, however, is of the opinion that my concentration is on establishing generational wealth and doing it with partners that share my values and drive for greatness. Mayweather and Alex Rodriguez, a former New York Yankees infielder, have both made investments in CGI's $650 million investment opportunity fund. The boxer's goals of passing on his fortune to future generations and teaching his peers how to succeed in business once their playing days are over inspired him to form this partnership. Both the Gabriel South Beach and Gabriel Downtown hotels in Florida are part of CGI's investment portfolio. They want to invest $375 million into the Trump International Hotel in Washington, D.C., with the help of Mayweather and Rodriguez. He added, after learning about CGI, I saw an opportunity to collaborate and share with other players and friends my desire of generating long-term riches outside of athletics through real estate investing. So what does this athlete spend his millions on? A Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita, one of only 2 in the world, is part of his collection, along with a Bentley Mulsanne, Bugatti Veyron, Grand Sport Ferrari 458 Italia, 599 GTB Fiorano, Enzo 650S, Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG, Lamborghini Murcielago, Porsche 911 Turbo, Rolls-Royce Phantom, and a Porsche 911. Aside from his pricey suit collection, he is known to show off his extensive watch collection. He also owns 2 private jets that he can use to travel to any location in the world at his convenience. Certainly, he lives up to the label money. Since 2018, Floyd has called his 22,000 square foot 11-bedroom mansion in Las Vegas home. He dropped $10 million on the property. A 13,000 square foot Las Vegas home he purchased in 2010 served as his principal residence until 2018. His purchase of this home cost him $9.5 million. He dropped $25.5 million for a Beverly Hills property that year. At the time of the closure, he additionally invested $500,000 in furniture and decorations for the house. The mansion includes a confectionery store, a movie theater, and a wine cellar, with a space for 300 bottles. So, that's all the time we had today, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon to remain updated about all future videos. See you in the next one.